To download Active Trader Pro, start by opening the Fidelity website and logging into your account. Next, click on the Trade button at the top of the screen, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Active Trader Pro option. This will take you to a new web page where you can click on the Get Active Trader Pro button. A series of options will then be presented, allowing you to download the Active Trader Pro software for your specific system. If you have a Windows computer, you can choose between the 64-bit or 32-bit option, while Mac users can select the 64-bit option for Mac. Once you have selected the correct setup for your system, simply open and install the software. After installation, you can log in using your Fidelity website username and password. Upon successful login, you can begin using Active Trader Pro.